Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn phone call notifications on or off in the Etsy app. This is very helpful if you want to manage how Etsy contacts you for updates or inquiries. So let's get started. Before we get started, we have to tell you that this change cannot be made on this app, but can be turned off on their official website. So then open your browser and in the search field, enter Etsy and click to search. By opening the homepage in the upper right corner of the screen, you can see your profile, which you will click on. By clicking on your profile, a small window will open where you will find the account settings option in the drop-down menu, and then click on it. The app will open a new page where you will also go down to the communication from Etsy option in the drop-down menu and click on phone calls. This will turn off the ability to contact you by phone, but if the option is checked and you want to turn it on, just do the opposite. At the very end, when you make the change, all you have to do is click on the Save Communication Preference option. And that's it. Now you know how to turn phone call notifications on or off in the Etsy app. It's a quick and easy way to stay in control of how Etsy reaches you. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.